Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, I will give you some information about the bird life in Australia. Some bird, they need food, but some other people feed them like bread, crackers, or other human snacks. But while bread is often the first food people reach for to feed the birds around them, it's often highly processed and high in salt. So it's not suitable for wild bird. Bread contains little to nutritional value for birds and it quickly fills a bird's stomach with empty calories and none of the energy or nutrients they need to stay healthy. Like larger pieces can easily get stuck in their crops and especially pouch in their esophagus used for storing food. Bread also gets moldy quickly, which is especially toxic for bird. Mold spore can cause aspergillosis or potentially fatal respiratory infection. And in water, bread left uneaten by ducks or other waterfowl can even cause a toxic algae. In short, feeding birds bread is never a good idea. So they say that how about the mince and the raw meat? It might be cheap and convenient, but mince also top the list of bird feeding no. So don't feed them because it's harmful for the bird. Then how about the honey and sugar? So nectar feeding birds like honey eaters thrive in the diet of nectar and pollen from our native flowers. Another naturally occurring sugary sweet like lerp, manna, and honeydew. This food is abundant and rich in the energy and complex sugar they need to survive. Unlike mixing water with sugar or honey, which are high in the wrong kinds of sugar. So you can feed birds like bird nectar mix suitable for honey eater and lorikeets. You can purchase wet or dry nectar mixes from Australian pet store. And then the fresh fruit and vegetable that is suitable for a fruit feeder just as parrot, pigeons, and doves and bowerbirds. So never feed birds avocado, citrus, onion, or garlic because this one is a toxic food for birds. So there's some tips. Fresh produce spoil quickly and should be discarded within a half a day. Avoid putting out fruit if you cannot clean it up regularly. So it's not all fruits are suitable for the bird, guys. So how about the earthworm, mealworm, and insects? So it's suitable for insectivores like the other birds, but not all the birds like it. Insect and invertebrate are tasty treat for insect and meat-eating bird in your backyard. You can purchase also a cricket or mealworm. So it's depend on the bird, guys. There's some birds that like, some birds they like it, and they like worm, but most of the bird they like worm like kookaburra. They enjoy the earthworm. Then how about the seeds, nuts, and grain? So this one is suitable for parrot, cockatoos, gala, corellas, roselias, pigeons, doves, and finches. So some birds like it. So I give you some tips. Try to avoid high fat oil seeds such as sunflower, canola, sunflower seeds, or any, provide them sparingly. So best practice to feed them what they needed. So not all food are suitable for the bird. Big swan.
Don't breathe. Here we go.
So this is the bird seeds that allow to feed the bird. This is all kind of bird that you can see here in the lagoon. How will you see today? Call it brown goshawk, Whitney dotero, black naked stork, Australian wood duck. This is Australian wood duck. Long beak is black naked stork. Then the black swan. You know the black swan, the big swan. Then the sacred kingfisher, the white-bellied sea eagle, channel-billed cuckoo, eastern quail. Bread is bad for the bird, so it's not good for the bird, the bread, so please don't feed us. Native birds don't need extra food. They're well adapted to their environment. Feeding birds disrupt their naturally balanced diet and can make them sick. So feeding encourages birds to gather in groups and compete for food. They can be increase their aggression, cause stress, and spread disease. Uneaten food can also pollute waterways, causing nasty surface algae that kill fish and introduce diseases. So feeding can make birds dependent on humans for their survival. Dependent bird lost the ability to find food for themselves. Juveniles who are still learning to forage are especially at risk. So make sure you don't, when you come here, don't feed a bird or anywhere. Don't feed the bird because they have their own food, natural food. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.